Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to build Wylder. Wylder is an all-rounder type. So if you like his, skill, his grappling hook and his, ult, which is like the arm cannon, we will try and build his relics toward those specific attributes of his skill. We're going to start with his remembrance. So he has a remembrance relic. So slate whetstone is pretty good. Follow-up attacks possible when using character skill. So what happens is when you use your character skill, you can follow up with a flaming sword attack that does moderate damage, but it only works on great swords and physical attack up, so that's pretty good. And silver tier, this is pretty good here. So this is his relic where you know his art gauge will be greatly filled when ability is activated, which is his grappling hook. Arcane for the fire, the damage, and also his ultimate art gauge and more, faster ult cooldown. So that's pretty good. And here you can use like the earring. So while there's earring, if you've beat Hellister and got the ending, you can use the earring. But I have a really lucky relic here. I basically got his Wylder additional character skill art. It's basically his, I don't know how I got it, but it's like his Wylder's earring. So that's pretty good. So use that one, Wylder's earring, and that. So that is his build. It's very cracked because if you check it here. So let's first talk about the first relic, which is the follow-up attack. Hold up. There we go. So that's the follow-up attack on Wylder. So that's pretty good. It does moderate damage. It's very nice. It's nice to have two of them. So I'm gonna turn off the cooldown here. So the infinite arts. I'm just gonna. You can use his ult like if you hold it like that. So that's pretty good. And his ult gets built up faster when you use that. So that's pretty good. Really cracked build. I see we're building a lot of ult meter. So that's my recommended build for Wylder. So for weapons, you can just rock his main one if you want to. Consistency, but the great really good weapons are for him are like the great swords if you are using that specific relic which does your special attack and stuff like that. So I like using banish knight then gargle greatsword because they're like easy to find. Flamberg is really good and for greatsword just because of the bleed buildup. Anything with rot is fine. Rot is pretty strong this on here. If you're like really lucky, you can get like the Golden Order Greatsword, or the Ballbearing Hunter Sword, the Maris Executioner Sword, or Helpman Staple is pretty consistent. But usually you should focus on a weapon that has the character's weakness. And while there's not really bad on sorceries, so you can use him for sorceries too. And colossal weapons also fit him. So let's say like the Guts Sword, but you wouldn't have the relic. The relic weapon, I mean the relic buff that adds an additional move set. So just watch out for that if you are relying on that like fire bosses. Let's say you're fighting like the moths or like Fisher of the Fog and stuff like that. So he's really good at colossal. You can use him for colossal stuff, but greatsword is recommended. He also has a shield that you can use for deflection like that, so that's pretty good. I use it, yeah, use it like that too. That's pretty nice. I like that. You can also block because in Elden Ring, Nightreign, you don't get damage when you block, so that's pretty good. Focus on weapons like wielding two ornaments if you are focused on shielding. But if you're focused on just using one sword, you can just like dual wield it like this, like the two-handing buffs that you get from swords, like the weapons and stuff like that. So I would suggest just just do that. Focus on his endurance, his stamina, because stamina is really important, and stance breaking. He does really good stance breaking. Not gonna lie. So yeah, guys, that is my tutorial for Wylder. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.